This is the human brain. We have one central brain, but it's incredibly complex. It lets us speak, think in abstract ways, plan for the future, and live in complicated social groups. Most animals can't do this with a single organ. Meet the octopus. It has 9 brains, one in its head and one in each of its 8 arms. Each arm can feel, taste, and even solve simple problems on its own. It's like having 8 extra mini minds working together with the main brain. This is a leech. It has about 32 tiny brains, one in each body segment. Because of this, every part of its body can move and react almost independently. Even if you cut a leech in half, both parts can still wriggle and respond for a while. Starfish don't have a single central brain. Instead, they have a nerve ring in the center and a small brain-like structure in each arm. This lets each arm act partly on its own, helping the starfish move, feed, and even regrow lost arms. Cockroach has 2 main brain-like centers, one in its head and a large one in its abdomen. This is why a cockroach can still run and move for a short time even after losing its head. The body's second brain keeps basic functions going. The cuttlefish has one main brain, plus several large nerve clusters around its body that work like extra control centers. This system helps it change color and texture in milliseconds, creating some of the best camouflage in the ocean. The box jellyfish has no single brain, but many small nerve clusters around its bell. Even without a central brain, it has complex eyes with lenses and can hunt and avoid obstacles. It shows that intelligence doesn't always need one big brain. Earthworms have a small brain in the head and many tiny brain-like ganglia down their body. Each segment can coordinate digging and movement on its own. That's why earthworms can still function even if they're partly injured. A slug has 3 small brains near its throat, each controlling different jobs: eating, moving, and breathing. For such a simple animal, splitting these tasks between 3 brains is a very unusual solution. Silkworms don't have one big brain either. They have many nerve clusters along their body that act like mini brains. These work together to control crawling, spinning silk, and the amazing transformation from caterpillar to moth. Nature doesn't always use one big brain. Some animals use many small ones, spread through their bodies. This shows there are many different ways to build a nervous system, and many ways to be smart in the animal kingdom.